Filling out a form can be easy if you know what to do. Let's go through a typical form together. First, write your first name in the first name box. For example, if your name is Maria, write Maria. Next, write your last name or family name in the last name box. If your family name is Garcia, write Garcia. Now fill in your address. This is where you live. Write your street, city, and zip code. For example, 123 Main Street, Charlotte, NC 28202. Don't forget your phone number. Write the number where you can be reached. Then, write your email address. This is how people can contact you online. For your date of birth, write the month, day, and year you were born. Like this, 1/15/1980. If the form asks for your gender, check the box that applies to you. Male, female, or other. Sometimes forms ask about your primary language. This is the language you speak the most. Lastly, look over your form. Make sure everything is correct. If you need help, ask someone you trust.